What is going on, guys? My name is Paul, and in today's video I'll show you what I loaded on my trailer. So let's get right in it. trying to see how far I can load up this trailer. I actually could have put another car on it, but I don't have one. And those two things right there, I do have a customer that's wanting one of these pieces, so I'll just keep those for now. But yeah, got it all loaded up, strapped up. I ran out of straps. I'm gonna go grab some. Today's Friday, by the way. October what? 3rd or 2nd? October 2nd. Yeah, so I'm gonna take these out Monday. I'm gonna get another strap, just either right there, and then one on this car. And I might even chain this diagonally, the front end, right to that D-ring. Just kind of chain it, just so the cops don't mind me. I mean, I only have like 15 miles to drive to drop this off, but it ain't going this way. Oh, I might actually. So I might have to put something kind of tied up here and then chain it that way, just in case I have to do an emergency brake. Because trust me, I've done those before, and I really don't want that thing flying at my car. I do have that top one. The only reason I have it because this strap right here. If I don't have the top one, it kind of just goes into the sharp edges of the vehicle, so I just have that top one holding that strap. So technically it shouldn't, because it's hooked up there at the top, like right there. So I think that'd be okay. Yeah, got them loaded up. I do have to build myself some kind of extensions, or even just, yeah, probably something longer, because a lot of times I have to move things twice, and the forks, those are only 48, and I don't want to have forks longer than 48 because it's going to be unuseful and they're always going to be in the way. But yeah, cleaned up nice. Still have to put all these up, but yeah, all this is clearing up. I do have this Civic that's been sitting here for almost a year now, and that Subaru almost 3. I can't get to it, but they're going out hopefully this year. So that's kind of what I have, all cleaned up and ready to go. I think I'll make a giveaway in this video. What do you guys think? Who guesses the weight of this scrap? Is that a good idea? I think so. So I guess, yeah, let's just do a giveaway on this one. So comment below what you guys think on weight. Just weight of the scrap, not counting the trailer, not counting my truck. I'll just post total combined weight, truck and trailer and trash, and then truck and trailer after I'm headed out. So guess how much you guys think all that's gonna be. Put those in the comments below, and we'll see if you guys win. We're gonna talk in hundreds, so if you're in the hundreds and you're correct, you're a winner. Hopefully somebody wins. And also, we still have that other current giveaway still live. We have not paid off our debt yet, so if you guys haven't left a comment on that one, go watch it. It's about the investment that I made. So if you haven't watched that video, go out and watch it. Put your comment below. You might win $100, and I'm just giving you $100 just because I feel like it'll be a nice thing. Because you can invest that $100 and make, $200-300 off of it. And also, this is what that silver one looks like. It's all done. I am keeping this, not this quarter panel, but the trunk area, and I'm keeping the trunk area, and then I need this quarter panel. I do have a customer, and also these frame rails. So I'll put this one on the lot for a while, and kind of go from there. Oh yeah, and about the giveaway, this number right there is from last week. I have not updated it yet, so it's October 2nd. So you guys that are new to my channel and you haven't watched the previous video when I talked about my investment, go up there. It's probably the second or the third, or even Yeah, second or third back. So just go watch it, and hopefully some of you win, you know, $100. And then same thing with this one. Guess the weight, put in the comments below on this video, and you might be a winner, you know, and you might even win $200 if you guess correctly on both videos. Imagine that, getting $200. I guess that'll be it, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.